So, hello everyone. I'm actually back after a long break. So, I'm going to show you 5 job updates from the same company. It is going to be fresher recruitment and internship opportunities for you. There are many technical roles, and also there is a technical role, but it is a content writing role. You will be doing technical content writing role there. So, other than that, everything is going to be a software related role. So, let's proceed into it. So this is the career page. The company is Lumel, and if you click on view all positions, you can look at all the roles that is open right now. So the fresher recruitment here is technical writer intern, fresher recruitment program 2025, that is product developer ReactJs. Then we have web developer internship, data cleansing internship, fresher recruitment program Rust. So we will see it individually. The first one is technical writer internship, and you require zero experience here, and the job location is going to be Chennai. So then you will have a duration of 3 to 6 months for this role, and after that, based on your performance, you will be converted to a full-time role. Here, basically, you will create, edit, and maintain the user manual, technical documentations, API guides, and knowledge based articles for the software products. Then you will collaborate with the engineering, QA, and product teams to understand the product functionalities and convert the technical information into a clear, concise, and user friendly documentation. Then you will review the existing documentation to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and clarity. Then you will work on the document versioning, formatting, publishing using the industry standard tools, and assist in creating the release notes, frequently asked questions, tutorials for internal and external stakeholders. So basically, what is required here is you should have a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. Then you should have some strong understanding of software development concepts and ability to comprehend technical details, excellent written and verbal communication skill, ability to write a structured and grammatical correct technical content, proficient in MS Office, Google Docs, and you should be familiar with Markdown, Confluence, or similar tools, and it would be a big plus for you. You should have a keen attention to detail and ability to work collaboratively in a team environment. So, this is a role from Chennai, and it is basically to document all their works. That is going to be the technical writer intern role, is basically. So, the second role is Fresher Recruitment Program 2025, that is going to be on Rust. Basically, you will be developing the backend services and API using Rust. You will be designing, implementing the efficient data structures and algorithms. You will collaborate with front-end teams to integrate APIs and deliver the end-to-end features. You will have a core skill set that would be Rust for a backend development. Then for the requirements here, you should have basic understanding of REST API concepts and backend architecture. Then you should be proficient in Rust programming, that is mandatory here. You should be familiar with database concepts such like SQL and NoSQL, comfortable using Git, GitHub, IDEs like Visual Studio Code, and eager to learn backend and all those things. So after submitting your application, the team will review your application, then get in touch with the shortlisted candidate. Then you will participate in a general aptitude test. Then you will have a coding assessment. Then in this process, they will assess how fit you are for the culture, how fit you are for the role, and all those things. And what basically they require is the right aptitude is more important. Like other things can be trained, but aptitude is the most thing they will be looking for. And only shortlisted candidate will be contacted for the recruitment process. So here is the third role, that is data cleansing internship. So in this role, the stipend will be 10 to 12,000, and the work location is Global Info City, Chennai. You should have a strong Excel skills, strong communication skills, and should have been conversant with LinkedIn too. Then we have the fourth role, that is another internship, that is web developer intern 2025 batch freshers. Then this is also from Chennai. So all the roles are for Chennai. So here is the key responsibilities where you will develop, maintain web application using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and other front-end technologies. Then you should collaborate with cross-functional teams to understand the project requirements and all other things. Here, if you look into the qualifications, you should be from a bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or a related field. You should have some basic understanding of web development technology, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You should have some strong problem solving skills and attention to detail, ability to work collaboratively in a team environment, eagerness to learn and adapt to the new technologies, such things. Then the preferred skills are familiarity with front-end technologies like React, Next.js, or Vue.js, basic knowledge of version control systems such as Git, understanding of responsive design principles. So here the preferred skills are not mandatory, but it is an added advantage if you know all other things like this. So you can add it in your resume and apply for this role. And the last role is Fresher Recruitment Program 2025 Product Developer ReactJs. And Fresher is the qualification here. So as a product developer, you will create a matrix or grid visualization using HTML canvas with a React application. Then build products like UI frameworks. Core skill set would be like React.js, that is mandatory. And you should have the knowledge of other frameworks like Vue and visualization library. It is a big plus for you. And the requirements are basic understanding of Redux and REST API concepts, good knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, familiar with React.js fundamental, comfortable with GitHub IDs with like WebStorm and VS Code, and eager to learn the test cases, execution, and debugging and troubleshooting, interest in UX principle and applying the design concepts in React problems. And you should have some React projects using grid or matrix. So all these things are required. Like we have seen like 5 job updates here today, and I'll be providing all the job links in the description. You can apply using this. You should have a perfect resume with all the skills they have mentioned. You should have the project if required, and also include everything that is required according to these rules. That would give you a upper hand or a advantage to get shortlisted for these roles. So you can even actually connect with people in LinkedIn as for referrals, and you can do those things too. So that's the end of this video. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.